Hello and welcome to Yoga of Meridians. In this video we will focus on opening up the pathways connected to kidney and bladder. Just a reminder that the goal is to find the best position in which you can feel a resistance or a tingling sensation along the meridian line. This way you will be able to experience what it's really like to release ki energy, allowing tension to dissipate. Begin in a seated position if possible, directly down on the ground with the legs fully straightened, the feet flexed, otherwise higher up on a bolster or a cushion. Reach the arms up towards the ceiling, then lean forward from your hips as far as you can. Allow at the end the spine to round, the head to release, getting hold of whatever you can with your hands. If possible, touching your toes, otherwise resting on your shins or your knees. If the hands are touching the toes, if you could slide the hands underneath the soles of the feet, so the toes are gently pressing at the base of your hands, the fingers pointing down towards the heels. We stay for 6 deep breaths, inhaling through the nose, exhaling through the mouth. Noticing any sensation running across the back of the body. The back of the legs, keeping them as straight as you can. The back of your calf, knees, thighs, pelvis. Up across the lower back where your kidneys are. And then further up the back of your chest, the shoulders, the arms. Perhaps even in the wrist if you're doing the full variation. Keeping the arms as straightened as you can. Like always, allow the breath to expand from the abdomen out to the entire body, increasing the stretch and the sensation along the meridian line. Noticing the stretch as you breathe in and the breath expands. Enjoy the release as you breathe out and the body softens. Once you've completed your last round of breath, you can reach the arms forward and up, return the body upright, then relax the arms by the sides. We recreate now the same pose, but from a standing position. So bring your body upright, the legs hip width apart, the arms relax by the sides. You can tuck the chin to the chest and begin rounding the spine forward, allowing the arms just to hang from the shoulders, keeping the upper body relaxed. The arms might just be hanging with the hands away from the ground, or you might be able to touch the floor with your hands. Either way, make sure you don't force it. Try to keep the legs fully straightened to maximize the stretch and the openness of the meridian lines. If the hands are touching the floor comfortably, you could place the back of the hands on the floor next to your feet, or even slide the hands underneath your feet with the toes gently pressing again at the base of your hands. Wherever you are, stay for 6 deep breaths, noticing the sensation across the back of the body. Knowing that as you stay here and breathe, you open up the meridian lines and stimulate the functioning of the corresponding organs, in this case, your kidney and your bladder. Try to keep your mind calm, focused on your breathing. Enjoy one more deep breath in and long breath out. Then slowly slide the hands off the feet if they are underneath them. Tuck the tailbone under and wheel the spine all the way up to standing. You want to finish with a moment of relaxation, laying down onto your back, if you'd like, with a little bit of padding underneath the knees. Just enjoy 6 deep breaths in and out in your own time. As you inhale, gently inflate the abdomen like a balloon. And as you exhale, soften the belly and let it go. As you breathe, you can imagine a light coming in through the crown of the head, filling up the abdomen and the chest. Then see it expanding down through the limbs, the arms, the legs, and out through the palms and the soles of the feet. As you inhale, the light comes in through the crown of the head, filling up the abdomen and the chest. And as you exhale, it runs down through arms, legs, out through the palms and the soles of the feet. A couple more breaths in and out in your own time, noticing any sensations across the body after your stretches. You might like to stay here if you have a little longer. And when you're ready, roll onto one side and come back to sitting. Thank you for practicing with me, and I see you in the next video.